Hello everyone, my name is Haania and I'm a student ambassador with the Experiential Education Unit, and today I'm here with Reet S to talk about remote experiential learning.
Hello everyone.
So which remote experiential learning course did you participate in?
Thank you, Haania. I'm currently participating in the MGT 480 Remote Experiential Learning course. As part of this course, I was given the opportunity to work as the Strategic Planning Intern for the ASE Community Foundation for Black and Disabled Canadians.
How would you describe your experience and what was your best accomplishment or takeaway?
My remote internship experience was surely an immense value added to my professional and personal growth. I was able to improve my research and analytical skills, as well as build on my project management skills. At ASE, I was responsible for the planning and the outreach strategy. It was extremely rewarding to see this new organization grow and accomplish their goals as a result of my work.
Do you have any advice for students who are considering enrolling in a remote experiential learning course?
If you're lucky enough to snag a beneficial internship or learning opportunity, it can be remarkably valuable towards your career. Not only do EL opportunities give you an edge over other candidates when applying for jobs, it also prepares you for what to expect in your field and increases your confidence in your work. EL courses also provide a great environment to meet professionals in the career field you want to pursue. EL opportunities are the building blocks necessary to creating the path to a successful career. So next time you have the ability and the opportunity, you might want to consider indulging in a meaningful experiential learning opportunity.
Thank you so much for your insight. For more information, please go to the Experiential Education Unit website.